Here we're making a herringbone gear. Absolutely fascinating and accurate, as you can see. And this is one of two gears that will mesh into a camera dolly that runs on a 2020 rail for the media center. So I'm really enjoying this. I made all the other parts down here. There's some more to be made, but it's printing's coming out really cleanly now. Whoops. So you've got all these three-dimensional parts that are really very clean. I've also managed to get hold of some test sample of some other PETG, PETG, whatever it's called, glass, and it's almost clear but green, so that'll be interesting as well. Anyway, just a little last shot of this as it finishes it off. Pretty neat.